wonderful day, everyone. And today we are going to make milk coffee. For the ingredients that we have is evaporada, condensada, ground coffee, black gelatin, white gelatin, and lastly, sterilized milk. And for the procedure,
Firstly, pour 1.5 cups of water into a heated pot. For our next step, we will add black gelatin into the heated pot and make sure to stir it consistently. After stirring for a bit, add black coffee into the hot boiling gelatin mix. After letting it boil for at least 5 minutes, place the mixture in a clear container and let it cool off. Okay, huwag niyo pansinin yan, eme lang yan. In our next procedure, add 2 cups of water into a pot. But this time, we will use a white gelatin mix into the boiling water. After stirring for some time, it's time to add sterilized milk into the mix. Also make sure to stir it firmly. After boiling, pour the mixture into another container and let it cool. Our next step is to put both of the gelatin mixture into the refrigerator for a few hours. In our case, we left it there for 9 hours straight. After cooling it off for a few hours straight, take both of the now hardened gelatin mixtures out of the refrigerator. Using a knife, cut the gelatin into small pieces. Make sure to be safe when using a knife. Oh, yun na, pakita yung result yan. Yan. Sarap, sarap, sarap. To complete this gelatin dessert, add creme densada into a large bowl. And also add evaporada. Mix both using a large spoon or a whisk. Next is add brown coffee into the mix using the large spoon. After mixing it well, finally add both mixtures into the large bowl. Firstly is the black gelatin. And next is the white gelatin. Mix it for the last time, and there you have it, milk coffee gelatin. Sorry po na naabala kayo. Nag-waste ako ng 6 minutes and 4 seconds ng oras nyo. Pero okay lang kasi natuto din kayo maggawa ng coffee gel namin. Sarap ka mo, bili kayo. Pwede na kami magtinda ni Mary. Pero sana naman na hindi masyadong mahaba tong gawa namin na video. problema lang napasa na 'to ng 9 PM. Sobrang late na. Pero okey lang, okey lang. Thank you.